How to make smooth slow motion video in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make smooth slow motion video in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is import a video. So I'll just import a video right here. And after you imported a video, just add it to your timeline. Tap on this plus icon and now it will be on your timeline. Now to make a smooth slow motion video, simply choose this video and head over to the speed option on the top right, and there you will be able to adjust the duration accordingly, which the time will set it itself. Now to make a slow motion video, just choose a slower time like this. You can make it 0.5, so let me make it to 0.5, and after you do that, tap on the play option and it will start getting slower. So as you can see, the video has started getting slower. And yeah, that is basically how you can make a smoother slow motion video in CapCut. It's really easy. You can also make it faster, so you can just make it faster as well. As you can see, now it's faster. So you can change the time, you can make it slower as well. So this is the slowest one. Let me put it to the slowest video. Now making it slower and slower will make it a bit glitchy, so just choose the perfect time, and yeah, it will be a smoother short slow motion video. And that is basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.